Hello and welcome to the forum. Every week, we take no more than 15 minutes to discuss the 3 highest conviction ideas surfaced across the Smartkarma network, cutting through the noise and helping you zero in on what truly matters most. The live forum and Q&A session are exclusively available to Smartkarma Plus subscribers. You can always revisit previous episodes on this YouTube channel. Without further ado, let's dive into this week's ideas.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Smartkarma Weekly Forum. The forum is a high-impact live webinar exclusive to Smartkarma Plus subscribers. We use this to discuss the best, highest conviction insights as surfaced across the network. The forum is meant purely for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. It is the opinion not of Smartkarma, but that of our insight providers, and Chatham House rule applies. At the end of every week, we take video recordings of the forum, convert them into bite-sized clips and upload them onto our YouTube channel. This makes it easy for you to revisit them at your own time and pace and also share them with friends. In today's forum, we will look at Southeast Asia tech company Sea Limited. We will then look at Comfortdelgro in Singapore. And finally, in our thematic section, we will revisit the most important question for equity investors, which is what to expect of global fixed income markets in 2023. Let's commence with Sea Limited. Sea is a well-covered stock on the platform. It is a name we've been very bearish on. In today's forum, we will look at the most recent insight from Oshadi Kumarasiri on the company. For those of you who might not be familiar, Sea Limited is listed in the US with the ticker SE/US. It provides e-commerce as well as payment platforms to customers globally, but mostly focused in Southeast Asia. Oshi notes that Sea's e-commerce business is very unlikely to turn profitable even in the next few years. It notes that the digital entertainment segment can absorb most of the e-commerce losses, but the segment's profitability itself is expected to fall 70% over the next 2 years. And this is the main reason why Oshi continues to remain quite bearish on the company. We'll move on to Comfortdelgro. The ticker is CD/SP, and the market cap is just shy of $2 billion. And we're featuring the insight from Henry Sodecano today. For the uninitiated, Comfortdelgro provides bus, taxi, car leasing and rental, as well as automotive engineering and maintenance services. Comfortdelgro has new leadership with expertise in Australia, which we think could unlock value for its Australian assets. A point to note, they have tried to IPO these assets previously. Meanwhile, in its home market in Singapore, the ridership in their bus business, SPS Transit, has increased. And also, similarly, ridership in their train lines has also picked up. The reopening in Singapore has brought back tourists and increased ridership levels everywhere. China's reopening has just begun and is also not priced in. With the chart trading near its multi-year lows, Henry continues to have a positive view. Finally, in our thematic section, we will look at global fixed income markets, and we will revisit this insight from Michael J. Howell, who is a liquidity strategist on the Smartkarma platform. Michael's view remains that in 2023, major world stock and bond indices will continue to trade sideways, but several national markets and sectors can perform quite strongly. The reason behind Michael's optimism is an expansion of the global liquidity cycle, which began as early as October last year. This shift in liquidity is being driven by the People's Bank of China and is also being paced by the US Federal Reserve. The coming months could see skidding bond market volatility and the beginning of further yield curve steepening. We hope you found today's forum recording useful. In case you have questions for our analysts, you may continue the conversation on the Smartkarma platform. We hope to catch up with you next week. Thank you. Bye-bye.
That's it for this week. You can find more ideas like the ones we discussed today on demand on our YouTube channel. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification button. If you like these ideas, spread the word. Tell a fellow investor about Smartkarma Plus and follow us on social media. Just search for Smartkarma. And of course, don't forget to visit smartkarma.com for more independent, differentiated investment insights. Thanks for watching, and see you next week.